Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about Tapswap. We are going to be discussing the latest update about Tapswap, how we can actually triple our reward, and also what we need to do right now to secure the best spot on achieving maximum benefit from Tapswap. So right now, watch the video to the end. Do not skip any parts. You will definitely find this video helpful in one way or the other. So without talking much, let's now dive deeply into the video. But before we start the video properly, remember we do give out Tone Coin to our video viewers. If you're watching a video right now from any part of the world, you actually stand a chance of earning yourself free Tone simply by making sure that you have subscribed to our channel, like this video you're watching right now, share, and also put a very nice comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we actually select our winners and announce them on Telegram. Thank you. Let's now proceed with the video. So over here guys, on the Tapswap community on Telegram, they have announced that the season 1 of Tapswap is officially over, and they went ahead to say that tapping has officially stopped, but you can increase your balance by completing the questionnaire in the Tapswap mini app. So right now guys, they have actually provided us a questionnaire on their mini app, which we are actually required to go and complete and stand a chance of actually earning 3 times of our reward. They say right here, and I quote, one time survey, which is going to be taking you about 10 to 15 minutes, and they say that you should also answer honestly, and they also went ahead to finally say that everything you are doing is totally secure and confidential. So right now guys, I'm going to be heading over to my Tapswap mini app. So right now I'm going to be opening up my Tapswap mini app right now. Let's see what we have right here. Okay, so I'm actually doing this for the first time. Let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, all right guys, you can see right here, the first thing right here is that season 2 starts in 20 hours 13 minutes and 35 seconds. This means that in just less than 24 hours we are gonna be entering the season 2. Right now guys, they went ahead to say something like season 1 is over, and they said thank you for being part of our amazing community. We truly appreciate everything you have done, tapping countless time, sharing the app with friends, building Tappy Town, and engaging with us on social media. Your balance is currently being carefully calculated. You will be able to withdraw you're able to select a withdrawal option for your tap as soon as season 2 begins. This means that once season 2 begins, we are going to be able to withdraw our Tapswap. So right now guys, for us to proceed, we need to swipe to the right. Okay, and right now guys, you can see they are now giving us an analytics of what we have done so far on the Tapswap mini bot, and over here you can see I invited a total of 301 friends, and also right here you can see I actually tapped about 477,810 times, and again you can see I achieved the highest league, which is the Mythics League, and once again you can see I completed just 35 tasks. Okay, so right now guys, when I scroll to this time, you can see I actually achieved my progress on the Tappy Town is only 11.75. This is quite so poor. Right now guys, we proceed to the last one. Over here guys, you can see increase taps amount questionnaire. You can see complete questionnaire to increase your taps token balance. So right now guys, what I need to do is simply tap on increase my tap. Okay, over here guys, you can see we have something like we invite you to take a short survey from Tapswap. Your feedback is valuable to us and we will improve our products and services, plus you will receive a significant reward for completing the survey. Important notes. Okay, the survey can only be taken once. Your response will be automatically analyzed. If dishonest answers are detected, you won't be able to retake the survey or receive the reward. The survey takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. By participating, you consent to the processing of your personal data, which will be used solely for survey analysis and service improvements. We are guarantee the confidentiality and security of your data. Thank you for your time and contribution. So they are actually trying to tell you the rules that are guiding the survey that we are about to take right now, and also that your all the information you'll be providing is well secured and confidential. So right now guys, we proceed by clicking on this box right here to show that we have accepted the terms and conditions. So right now guys, we go ahead and click on start. Okay, when I click on start right now, we are now going to be entering the survey, but remember they say that the survey is actually going to be taking us 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm not going to be allowing this video to be that long, so I'm going to be pausing the video, but whenever I see any question that actually requires me to show to you guys, I'm going to be doing it right now. So right now guys, I'm going to be proceeding and I'm going to be starting the survey immediately. Okay, right here guys, you can see I'm actually taking the survey right now, and this is my current progress. And over here guys, you can see choose green to continue from the list of answer. This, they are trying to actually give you a kind of test to confirm if you are maybe a robot or something. So they right now they are asking you to choose green to continue. So if you choose any other one that is not green, then you may not be able to, you know, get it correctly. So I will choose green right now, then I will click on next. So right now guys, they are going to continue bombarding me with a lot of questions. So right now guys, I'm going to be answering it accordingly. So if you have any problem on the while you are doing this, let me know on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you with the correct answer immediately. I'll be active. Okay, so right now I'll be pausing the video in order for me to proceed with the questionnaire. All right, and right here guys, they are actually asking us about which cold wallet do you use. So right now guys, this can be very confusing because the difference between cold wallet and hot wallet is not known by many. Actually, cold wallets are those wallets that you can use offline, while hot wallets are those wallets that you can use online. For example, Trust Wallet is a hot wallet, okay, but over here now SafePal also is a hot wallet. So they are asking us about cold wallets. Examples of cold wallet that I know are Ledger, Treasure, and Keystone, or Keepski rather, but I don't use any of them. So I will go ahead and choose I don't use cold wallet. Okay, I will click on it like this, then I will click on next. So right now guys, I'm going to be proceeding with the question. If I see anyone that can be confusing, then I will still let you guys know. Okay, and right here guys, this one right here, they say which Web3 wallet do you use? You can choose multiple Web3 wallets, a lot of them. All this right here are actually Web3 wallets. So but we are going to be choosing Trust Wallet, of course the Web3 wallet, MetaMask, and of course Phantom, and also Soulflare and Tonekeeper. So this one is okay. I will click on next. So right here guys, let me see if the next question is confusing again. Which decentralized exchange do you use? Remember, they are talking about decentralized exchange, not centralized exchange. So over here guys, we have a lot of decentralized, I mean all these things right here are decentralized exchange. So we are going to be choosing just among them Uniswap, PancakeSwap, which other one again, QuickSwap, and of course we have Radium right here, and I think these ones are okay. So I will go ahead and click on next. So over here guys, you can see how the questions are well arranged, and sometimes they will try to confuse you with the questions, but you need to show them how smart you are. Any question that you find confusing, feel free to go and Google it. Okay, so right guys, they are asking us, have you participated on play to earn projects? Yeah, play to earn. So we click on next. So I'm going to be pausing the video to continue it where I found a tricky question. And over here guys, they say select. Okay, and over here guys, they say to continue, select the second option from the list of trust. So if you look over here, you can see none of these actually makes a full sense. So they say we should select the second option, which is this one. Then we go ahead and click on next. Okay, so you can see right guys, they are trying to text us right here. So right now guys, we go ahead and proceed. I'm going to be stopping the video to continue it where I found a tricky question again. And over here guys, they are actually asking us to rate how seriously we took the survey, and they say that if you choose 1, it means that you were not serious. If you choose 10, it means that you were very serious. So obviously I was very serious, so I will go ahead and click on next like this. Let's see what we're gonna have next. All right, so you can see what is your attitude towards meme coin. So over here guys, the first question is this is an interesting part of the crypto world, I invested in them. Second one says I am interested in them but do not invest. Third one says I consider them risky and frivolous. And the third one say I do not understand what it is. So what is your attitude towards meme coin? Okay, this is an interesting part of crypto world, I invest in them. Of course we invest in meme coin. Remember, they didn't say shit coin, they said meme coin. So we go ahead and click on next. Okay, all right guys, so I think right now we are approaching the last question right here. You can see how many hours do you usually spend on media content. Okay, I'm gonna be choosing 1 to 3 hours. Okay, right now let's see what we're gonna have right here. Finally, okay, you can see questionnaire completed, thank you. Right now we are done with the questionnaire. We click on back. Right now you can see everything is going to be starting afresh. So this is what you need to do right now, and right now after doing it, you keep your fingers crossed and of course expect the best from Tapswap. So this is the update right now. Take it very serious, answer the survey as honest as you can, because this is actually going to be influencing how much you are going to be earning. Thank you for watching. I believe you got a value. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Peace out, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video.